Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how you can download and install Moviebox Pro on iOS, iPhone or iPad. So there are multiple methods that I will share. First of all, if you have Mac or PC, then you can use side loading. For the steps, first of all, install side loading on your computer. Download the Moviebox Pro.ipf file. Connect your iPhone or iPad. Open side loading, drag in the .ipf file, and enter your Apple ID. Then just tap Start, read for instructions. Then on your device, go to Settings after installations. In Settings, go to Profiles and Device Management and press the profile. So these are the first method that you can use. In the second method, you can use direct browser like Safari in your iPhone. For that, just open Safari on your device. Visit Moviebox Pro official iOS page. Tap the Install button. After install, go to Settings and then General, then Device Management and press the Developer. You are done now. You can use and enjoy. Thank you for watching.